Welcome to the newest advancement in draper header technology. The definition of farming smarter, not harder. Helping you navigate all the ups and downs of harvest with ease and reliability. Introducing the all-new AirFLEX NXT from Honeybee. Evolved from Honeybee's best-selling draper header, the new AirFLEX NXT goes further, cuts closer, tackles an even wider range of crops and conditions, and improves the overall efficiency of your operation. The revolutionary power of the AirFLEX NXT comes from the air-controlled, independently suspended cutter bar. Light, fast-acting, and infinitely adjustable, the cutter bar instantly adjusts to accommodate changes in crop or field condition. With a full 9 inches of flex across the width of the cutter bar and adjustable air suspension, the AirFLEX NXT gives you precise control over flexibility or rigidity of the cutter bar to collect even the lowest hanging pods. You can even switch from flex to rigid mode at the touch of a button without ever leaving the cab. Unlike typical heavy hydraulic drive systems, which are prone to surges, the AirFLEX NXT centrally driven reversible mechanical drive is straightforward and lightweight, providing consistent, reliable power and performance. The AirFLEX NXT features an impressive list of cutting-edge performance enhancements and upgrades. In flex mode, the skid shoes achieve a consistent stubble height of 0 to 8 inches across the width of the cutter bar and can be adjusted instantaneously from the cab of your combine. End shields have been narrowed from 8 inches down to 5 inches to reduce flattening of crops and enhance maneuverability along field borders and through row crops. A new design applies consistent force from the airbag to the cutter bar for better flotation throughout the full flex range and reduced wear along the cutter bar and skid shoes. A larger 12-inch diameter hydraulic cross auger improves material flow from the drapers to the feed auger, adjusting for bulky and tangled crops like peas and canola. The redesigned vertical shear features a thinner profile and simpler design. The smooth operating, centrally driven knife drive provides powerful cutting action and increased durability. Its low profile cuts the crop lower to the ground so you can pick up more. The fully adjustable reel offers a more aggressive grab and a softer release for more even feeding with unlimited finger spacing options, so you'll leave no crop behind. Upgrades to the transport system allow the transport cart lock pin to be engaged or disengaged from one easily accessible latch arm. The AirFLEX NXT is available in a range of sizes, from 25 feet all the way up to 60 feet wide. In addition to the all-crop edition, which includes all of the features above, the NXT is also available in a simplified soybean edition. The gauge wheels, subframe suspension, and rigid height control are removed, saving cost and weight for operations where those features aren't needed. Packed with the latest features and technology, the AirFLEX NXT from Honeybee is your secret to a better harvest. Learn more at honeybee.ca or talk to your authorized Honeybee dealer.